shortly, the Climate Action Bill will be going through the House of the Oireachtas. This will be one of the most important pieces of legislation in our lifetime. And I'm here at the stunning Inchydoney beach in West Cork to show you why. Follow me. Right now, the Inchydoney dual system ends right here. But only 1 year ago, the dual system ended right about here. That's climate change happening right before our eyes. We are seeing the impacts of global warming right across Ireland. The coastal erosion, our road network being washed away, and our towns being devastated by flooding. The Climate Action Bill will be a vital step in our battle against climate change. It will put into law Ireland's target of carbon neutrality by 2050. This will be done by a series of carbon budgets. If a sector exceeds its carbon budgets, there will be penalties. This piece of legislation will go a long way to ensure that we reduce our impact